It will be after the Dussehra holidays, 21st, 22nd, 23rd.
Yes, ma'am. Deepika ma'am told us.
21st, 22nd, 23rd. 3 days. So please check your report card before you come for the PTM. If anyone has any issues regarding the report card, please mail the ICT department. Okay, everyone. So today we're going to continue with punctuation, right?
Ma'am, may I go to washroom?
Yes, Vansh.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Kahan, where were you yesterday?
What, ma'am?
Where were you yesterday?
Ma'am, I was doing my online class. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Ibrahim. So this is an extra class that we have swapped with math because maths teacher has had swapped it on Monday with me. So that's why we are having English today instead of maths. In your timetable, you must be seeing maths, but we are going to have English today. I informed you yesterday, right? Yes, Kahan, what happened?
Ma'am, tomorrow was my network issue, so I can't join the class.
Yeah, that's what I was asking. Where were you yesterday?
Okay, ma'am. I have tell to ma'am.
Ma'am, is he
Not tomorrow. Yesterday.
a Jyotish that he knows about tomorrow also, that tomorrow will be his network issue?
These people make mistakes in all these things. Tomorrow I was absent because I had this issue. How can you be absent tomorrow? Tomorrow has not come only. It is future tense. Okay, let's continue. How many of us are there? 21 only. 20 only.
Can you hear me? Ma'am, what we are doing?
Everyone, please take out page number 85 of your grammar book.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Who is this? Can you hear me?
Riddhi.
Riddhi, yeah, I can hear you.
Ma'am, 85.
85. We had finished the exercise yesterday, exercise A. So today we are going to learn the rules of colon. What is a colon? How does it look like? Yes, Prisha, what does a colon look like? Everybody, cameras off. I'm going to start removing. And no excuses.
No, ma'am, really my camera is
Ma'am, I'm
when
getting
I
my
on.
book.
I'm going to put it out. I'm going to remove Vihan. Every day this excuse is not going to work.
No, ma'am, I am telling truth.
Which class did you have before this?
EVS.
EVS.
Was this camera on in that class?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No.
You people do what behind the camera? No, the teachers don't know. That's why they doubt. They doubt on genuine reasons also. Because we are left with no option. Ayan, why is your camera off?
Ma'am, I was getting the English book.
Huh? What?
I was getting the English book.
So you have to keep your camera on when you're going and getting your English book. Look at Ayansh. He's missing from his place, but his camera is on. Go have a whole round of your house, but keep your camera on. I don't mind.
Ma'am, may I go to washroom?
Yes, we
Ma'am, what book we have to?
Page number 85.
In Marigold.
Colon.
In Marigold.
Page
Ma'am, you
number
asked me what is a colon.
What is a colon? How does it look like, Prisha? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am. A colon is a thing which we put after time or when we are explaining something to someone. So, suppose I wrote 3 o'clock. So, I'll write 3 colon 00.
We use it for time, right?
Yes, and also for explaining someone something.
Like what? Like what?
Like,
For explaining anything, we use colon. Anybody else?
like, can you bring vegetables for me, colon, and then write the vegetable's name?
Names, the list. Yes, Dishna, tell me.
Ma'am, like we are saying that you need to bring vegetables. No, not the vegetables, but you need to bring. You need to example. You need to bring everything that is blue. Like example, we will write example, then colon and all.
Okay. So the colon is used to introduce a list, an explanation, a quote, or a definition. We also use a colon to distinguish the title from the subtitle and hours from minutes. And hours from minutes. Look at the example. The examinees were asked to bring 3 things. So now I'm going to tell you which are the 3 things that they have asked for. So I'll put a colon first and then start the names of these 3 things. So those are a pencil, comma, an eraser, and a scale. Did you get the things? Did you get this rule? That we put a colon before we start a list. Number 2, let's not forget the main issue. And what is the issue? We need to quit using plastic. This is the explanatory sentence. And then this is quote. You must have read this in storybooks. If you read in storybooks, if you have a play, okay, if you have a play in the storybook and there are characters which are playing that play, you will have dialogues in front of their names. For example, Peter Pan, colon, and he said this dialogue. Then probably Mickey Mouse, colon, then he said this dialogue. So we know that these are the dialogues, these are the quoted words of that particular person. So after we introduce the character name, we put a colon and then we put his dialogues. Poodles.
And colon is under 2 dots.
2 dots. 2 dots. One under the other. 2 dots. Poodles. A very large amount of something pleasant. What is this? This is the word and the meaning. So it is separated by a colon. It is a word and a meaning which is separated by a colon. Then Nihal bought a copy of George Eliot's novel Middlemarch, A Study of Provincial Life. So this is the name of the book. The name of the book is Middlemarch. That's the title of the book. And the subtitle is A Study of Provincial Life. Then we use it for writing time. 11 colon 34. So 11 before the colon it is the hours. After the colon it is the minutes. Hours and minutes. Any questions on this? Any questions on this?
No, ma'am.
Nothing, no? Okay.
No, ma'am.
Next, the semicolon. Now, what's a semicolon? Colon is 2 dots, one under the other. A semicolon is 1 dot and a comma underneath, under it. The semicolon joins 2 independent sentences that are closely related. It often replaces a conjunction or a connective. Connective is a thing which connects two things. We also use semicolons in place of commas in a list that has commas within items. Now look at the example on the next page. Rohini never goes out after dark. Why doesn't she go out? Now this is the reason. We are writing a semicolon and then we are writing the reason why she doesn't go out. She's scared of ghosts. So what is it? Rohini never goes out after dark, semicolon. She's scared of ghosts. Number 2. There are 3 important dates in this chapter. So why are we putting a colon there? First we are putting a colon. Why? Kush Kapadia, tell me why. He's enjoying some movie there.
No, ma'am.
Halal. See? I was absolutely right. That's why he left the class. What do people think of the teacher? I don't understand. She's a fool sitting on the other side of the class. She doesn't understand what you people are doing on your computer. I'm very well aware.
Ma'am, may I drink water?
Yes, Kahan. So why did we put a colon after chapter? Ayansh, tell me.
Yeah, ma'am. Because there is some dates. Means there is some important list in this chapter.
There is
Some important dates in this chapter. Like of a list of this chapter.
list.
February,
Yes, list.
March, and August.
We are starting a list. So before the list, we will put a colon. And then we will separate them with semicolon. Now, why are we using semicolon? We can put a comma also. We are just separating items with a list. Why are we using semicolon between February 4, 1922, March 12, 1913? Why are we using a semicolon here? Who knows the answer?
Ma'am, Ibrahim.
Yes, Ibrahim.
Ma'am, because they are like different, like February, then March, then August. They are different months, so we are putting semicolon.
But we could have put no February 4, comma 1922, comma March 12, comma 1930, comma. Yes, Meet.
Ma'am, I'm
Dhruv 6.
Ma'am, I'm ill, so can I keep my camera off?
What? I am?
Ma'am, I'm ill, so can I keep my camera off?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I
ma'am,
tell
can
what
I
is it?
reason? Ma'am,
Yes, Rudra. What is it?
Ma'am, he's telling that I am ill, so can I off my camera?
Okay, fine. Fine, Meet.
ma'am, can I
Yes, Ibrahim, what?
semicolon? Connect the two words. Connect two words. Two words.
Which words? Which
They,
words?
February, March, August. They connect it.
Vihan, why have you raised your hand? Do you know the answer?
Ma'am, I want to ask you that are the conjunctions and the connectors like same?
Yeah. They connect two sentences. Riddhi, yes, tell me.
Ma'am, because semicolon is also used as comma.
Semicolon is?
Also used as comma.
Can't hear you. Semicolon.
Ma'am, she is telling semicolon is same as comma.
If semicolon is same as comma, then why is semicolon there? You can use comma. Why is semicolon there? Yug Bharia?
Yes, ma'am.
Why is there a semicolon after 1922 and why is there not a comma?
I don't know.
Very good. Where is your book, by the way? See, I know everything you people are doing on the other side, though I'm sitting at my home. Mandra Jodia is with the camera on, and I don't know, he's become invisible because I can't see him.
Ma'am, it's separate.
Kahan, tell me. I am not going to say this.
Ma'am, because there are commas, that is why we are putting semicolon.
The commas, he's saying there is a comma already after February 4, and that's why we are not putting another comma after 1922. Now, listen carefully the reason. February 4, comma, 1922, comma, if I write, that completely changes the whole list. But when I'm writing February 4, 1922, it is telling me that the date was 4th February and the year was 1922. So that whole thing is one complete phrase, you can say. So February 4, 1922 is one thing. March 12, 1930 is one thing. August 9, 1942 is one thing. So if I put a comma after 1922, my list will have how many items? 6 items. Am I right? If I put a comma after everything, my list will have how many items? 6. It will be February 4, 1922, March 12, 1930, August 9, 1943. What? Did you understand? No. So will it make sense if I put a comma after 1922? So that's why
No,
the
ma'am.
colon exists,
No, ma'am.
because the comma is already there before, after 4. Okay. So I want to make that whole thing counted as one thing. February 4, 1922 is to be counted as one item in the list. March 12, 1930 is supposed to be counted as one item in the list. And August 9, 1942 as the third item. Got it, all of you, or not? How many of you have got it? All those who are not watching Jethalal and not playing Free Fire and Minecraft would have got it. Don't laugh like this. You people do that.
Not
play What?
Free Fire, Minecraft. No, ma'am, we are not doing anything. What? No, ma'am. We can't play Free Fire.
Why, Vivan?
Ma'am, Mon also. Mon.
Man has gone somewhere today. I don't know where is he, but he's gone somewhere. He's attending the class, but only his AC is attending the class today.
Jadoo.
The AC will explain to Man what happened in the class today.
Yeah, ma'am. And his curtain.
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
and Man is watching TV somewhere. I know.
Ma'am, he is
Dhruv
not at
Patel.
his place.
I know. Dhruv Patel, where are you?
Yes, I think so. Manat becomes.
Did you understand what I just explained? Huh?
No.
Very good. Thumbs up. Two thumbs up. When I asked, have you understood? Why did you not say that I did not understand? Dhruv, I'm asking you.
Yes, ma'am.
Why did you not say that I did not understand? What did you not understand? Tell me.
Ma'am, I have understand it, but ma'am, tomorrow I was doing this separate tuition, so ma'am, I was confused that how the sentence will come here and how the sentence will come.
Which sentence I talking?
No, ma'am, I was just clear about it, but ma'am, where we have to put prepositions and all, in that I was not too clear.
So now it's clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we have to insert colons at suitable. Okay, sorry. The third example. Imran had finished his work, and then we are separating it because it's the reason. Therefore, comma, he left earlier than usual. So we'll do exercise B. Insert colons at the right places. Number 1, gobble, to eat food too fast. Where will the comma, where will the semicolon come? Yes, Ibrahim.
Ma'am, can I say?
Me.
Please
What can I
come.
say in my class? Ibrahim, quickly.
Yes, ma'am. Gobble to eat food. Semicolon. Ma'am, colon too fast. Ma'am, I know. Can I say please?
Ma'am,
Can I say please? Ma'am, Jishna. Ma'am, gobble colon to eat food too fast.
Why did you change the place of the colon? And give me the reason why you're putting it there. Please be ready with the reason. I don't want that your tuition teacher has made you fill the book without explaining you and you tell me the same. I want the reason also. Yeah, Jishna.
Ma'am, because it's a definition.
It's a definition, it's the meaning of the word gobble. So gobble is a word. The meaning of the word is to eat food too fast. Next, number 2.
Ma'am, can I say?
Aryan, number 2. Ayan Agarwal, number 2.
You
Dhruv Patel,
need
you're
to
sitting without
finish
a book.
3 tasks. Colon
Can you
was
say the
closed by
answer?
vegetable and mow the lawn.
Where will, after which word will the colon come, Ayan?
3 tasks.
Why?
Because someone is saying you need to complete 3 tasks, and 3 tasks are washing clothes, buying vegetable, and mow the lawn. So
Very good.
that
It's the list which is starting after the colon. It is the list of tasks which is starting after the colon, which is wash clothes, buy vegetables, and mow the lawn. That's why the colon is going to come after the task. Riddhi Goyal, number 3.
Ma'am, Juliet, then colon, then what's in a name? Because there is a dialogue after a name.
This is the name of the character, Juliet, and Juliet has said this. What's in a name? Okay.
Yeah.
4. Number 4. Vivan Patel, number 4.
Vivan or Vihan?
Vivan Patel, your mic is off, beta.
Priya used only 4 colors in her painting: column, red, green, black, and white.
Why? Why?
Ma'am, because she has used only 4 colors.
That I know that the sentence says.
Ma'am,
but why
can I
are you-
say? Ma'am, because she has only used 4 colors in her painting: red, blue, and white.
Where is the colon?
After painting.
After painting. And why is it after painting? Why cannot be after her?
Because
Yeah, because Kahan, give me the reason.
ma'am, because there is a list given.
Because now the list starts. Red, green, black, and white.
Yes, ma'am.
So before the list starts, we have to put a colon. Okay, Vivan, clear? Okay,
Yes.
next. Charles Dickens wrote the novel Oliver Twist, The Parish Boy's Progress. Nick, answer. Nick Italia, Frozen. Manra Jodia. I think it's time to leave the class, right? Manra Jodia, gone. Parnika, answer. Number 5. Parnika Jain, can you hear me? She's busy in another world. Vidisha Ramani. Number
Yes, ma'am.
5. Number 5.
Yes, ma'am. चार्ली डिकेंस के पहले एक कोमा आएगा and wrote the novel Oliver Twist, The Paris Boy. So there was comma, comma and progress.
So where is the semicolon? After what?
After Dickens.
Jahan, where should be the semicolon?
Ma'am, can I say?
After outside.
After?
I'm busy next to number C.
Outside.
Where are we? Ibrahim, no comments.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Ibrahim,
ma'am. Charles Dickens wrote the Oliver Twist, the Paris Boy Progress. Ma'am, after Oliver Twist, the colon will come because the Paris Boy is like a subtitle of a story.
very good. Oliver Twist is the name of the book, and The Parish Boy's Progress is the subtitle of the book. Did you people get this rule?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ayansh, number 1. See exercise number 1. We have to use a semicolon. Where will we use?
Ma'am, number
It is pleasant outside. I will go for a walk. Quickly, I will move to the next person if you don't answer. Riva Kataria.
Ma'am, after
Number 1.
outside.
Why?
Ma'am, because it's starting a new
Be ready with me.
because it's starting a new
Because it is?
sentence. It's new sentence type of I will go for a walk. It's pleasant outside and I will go for a walk. So it will become semicolon after outside.
And the reason is?
Because ma'am, there is starting a new sentence. I will go for a walk.
They are connecting the new sentence. The reason. It is pleasant outside, so I will go for a walk, right? When do we go for a walk? When it is very sunny outside, when it is very rainy outside? No. When it is very pleasant, we go for a walk outside. So it is like a conjunction. So, but, and. We are replacing those conjunctions with a semicolon. Your answer is correct. It is pleasant outside, semicolon. Why? Because I will go for a walk. Number 2. Rudra Mangukia, number 2. The same people are raising hands. Rest are guests in my class. They will have tea, coffee, and say bye-bye tata at 10:15. Go. Rudra Mangukia,
Yes, ma'am.
number 2. Mandra Jodia, number 2. Bye. He will leave the class now. Right, Man? His man is not here. His man is somewhere else. Mantra Jodia, stop. See? He left the class. Rudra Mangukya, I don't have the whole day. This is what happens when we don't pay attention in the class. See ya. Mic off. Mic is off.
Ma'am, may I
Can't
say?
hear
Can
you.
I say?
Yeah, Vivan.
One of the parks was.
What have you done to your glasses?
It's my new glass again.
I don't need to watch a cartoon show, you know. I have a lot of samples in my class which make me laugh, which nothing. Come on, give me the answer quickly.
Yes, ma'am. One of the park was crowded, semicolon, the other was not.
Why? Answer. Why?
Ma'am, because it is connecting in a new sentence.
It is connecting both the sentences. It is connecting both the sentences. Number 3. Number 3.
Ma'am, can I say?
Ibrahim number 3 and Jishna number 4. Quickly.
Yes, ma'am. Sona did well in school. She went abroad for higher studies. Sona, school, it will come semicolon because there are two sentences and the semicolon is connecting two sentences.
Correct. Connector. It is doing the work of a connector. Jishna number 4. Quickly.
Parul did not like traveling. A semicolon, Meena loved it.
Correct. It is replacing like Parul did not like traveling, but Meena loved it. So it's replacing the word but.
Should I answer the fifth one?
Ma'am, can I say?
Prisha.
Yes, ma'am. Ashish did not get the time to study. However, he managed to score well. So Ashish did not get time to study semicolon. However, he managed.
Yes. Why? Why there?
Because it is telling that two sentences are connected to one, that it is telling Ashish did not study, but he scored good marks in the test.
Correct. Kahan number 6.
Yes, ma'am. 3 important dates for Indians are August 15, 1947, semicolon. Ma'am, because commas are already given.
Correct. And we are separating that whole thing with a semicolon. Otherwise,
Yes,
it will be
ma'am.
more.
Ma'am, can I say next one?
More in the list. Yes, Ayan, number 7.
The judges were impressed with Mohan project, semicolon, they declared him the winner.
They declared him the winner. So they are interconnected. Did you get the answers, children? It is easy when you know the rules. You will not be able to know where to put the semicolon and colon if you don't know the rules. So what is important? Remember the rules. Don't remember the sentences. Remember the rules. If you know the rules, you will be able to do any exercise. Any. Okay. So tomorrow we will do exercise B and E, and then I will send you the answer key to this chapter. Any questions on this?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Question?
No, ma'am,
And
nothing
please-
question. No question.
And please check your report cards before you come for the PCM, especially your English scores,
ma'am.
because most of you have not earned up for the LSRW sessions at 12:30. I have a full record of it. I have full recording of it.
Ma'am,
So mark your grades accordingly.
I also come.
No, I am not asking you. I'm telling you.
Tomorrow is my reading class.
Today we have.
Today is my ma'am.
Listen. Today we have reading class Group A. Group A reading class at 12:30. We'll read a story. I'll tell you in the reading class.
Ma'am, can I read my own story, please, tomorrow? Yeah, ma'am. I have so many books. Can I read? Can I bring one in the class?
But how will we know what you're reading?
No, ma'am. My own story I made.
That you have to do in the speaking class, darling. Okay, I will give you
Ma'am,
time
but
to
in
read.
speaking skill class, you give
Bye,
us a
ma'am.
topic and we don't get time to
So
speak.
that
Yes,
that
ma'am.
time he can read in the end. That time you can read.
Okay.
Bye,
Bye, ma'am.
bye, bye.
Okay. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Can I ask something?
Yes, Ayan.
Ma'am, when will